In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete emails in Zoho Mail, helping you keep your inbox organized and clutter-free. Start by going to mailzoho.com and logging in with your credentials. Once you're inside your inbox, scroll through to find the email you want to remove. Hover over it and you'll see a trash can icon appear on the right side. Click it and the email will move to your trash folder. If you prefer to review an email before deleting it, simply open the email first. Then click the delete button at the top and it will be sent to the trash. Don't worry, emails in the trash aren't gone forever immediately. You can recover them until they're permanently deleted according to your trash retention settings. Regularly deleting unwanted emails is an easy way to maintain a tidy inbox, stay productive, and manage both personal and business emails efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.